Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an image using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for ChatGPT. Then, press enter and click on the ChatGPT website from the search results. Once ChatGPT opens, type a prompt asking for an image prompt. For example, you can type, "Give me a prompt to make a picture of a beach." You can replace this with any type of picture you want to create. After that, press enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the image prompt. Next, click on the plus sign on the left side of the chat bar. From the drop-down menu, select the picture option. This will enable ChatGPT's image generation mode. Now, copy the prompt that ChatGPT generated and paste it into the image generation box. Then, press enter. After a few moments, ChatGPT will generate the image based on your prompt. And that's it. This is how to create an image using ChatGPT. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.